Watch it again, man.
No, I need to take a picture of me.
All right, right there. All right, let's see you launch it. I just took a picture.
And stay, make sure you can film it.
All right, here we go. Count it down.
10, 9, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 5.
Let's get a countdown.
4, 3, 2, 1. We should fail.
Nah, that wasn't a successful launch. You gotta make it go all the way up.
God, this is so successful.
When it goes up to the ceiling, that means you succeeded.
Succeed means you did it.
Yeah, I can't see. Turn around. Whoa. Whoa, that's successful. Right.
What if you show that to Brian?
He'd like to see that. Where'd it go?
Right there, on the ground.
Wow.
It's like it's sucking up dirt.
Good job. It's still working?
No!
What are you doing? What?
And 3, 2, 2. Was that kind of successful?
Yeah, kind of successful. Whoa.
I'm not bouncing at it.
That's it. A little spaceship.
One.
How are you running?
No.
Don't run from it.
That wasn't successful. You got an app by now. No, you